some important excretory molecules or substances, and we must discuss where they are produced or added into the body fluid and how they are removed from the body. The very first excretory molecule is carbon dioxide that is produced by all the respiring tissues in the body. This carbon dioxide is collected by the blood, it is delivered to the lungs, and it is excreted along with the exhaled air. Second is urea. Urea is produced as a result of deamination in the liver, deamination of amino acids. That results the formation of urea, and that urea is toxic. So it is removed either through kidneys as component of urine, or it is removed through skin as a component of sweat. Uric acid, another metabolic waste that is produced in the body, that is mainly produced by nucleic acid metabolism, and it is excreted through kidneys as component of urine. Similarly, muscles also produce another nitrogenous waste, that is creatinine, and that is released or removed from the body through kidneys as component of urine. Excess minerals. These minerals are added into the body along with food. The food we consume that already contains minerals, and that food is also further processed and further minerals are added. So these minerals may be, or some of these minerals may be in excess. So these excess minerals can be removed from the body through kidneys as component of urine, or through skin as component of sweat. Similarly, bile is another waste product that is raised by the liver, and it is stored in the gallbladder and later released into the digestive system, into the duodenum part of the small intestine, where it helps in the digestive processes as well, and it is excreted along with the feces. Excess water. So I'm using word excess water. Water is our requirement, but if its concentration is in excess, so excess concentration of waters will be taken as metabolic waste. Water is added into our body through food, drinks, or respiration that takes place in our body. So that also adds water to the body fluids. And if the total water contents of the body, they are more than the body needs, so excess water is to be excreted. And this water is excreted through kidneys as a major component of urine, sweating that occurs through skin, and even this water is removed along with the fecal material as well, and this water is removed as water vapors along with the exhaled air. So this was about various excretory products that are raised in the body and how they are removed.